Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's always great to have you here. So, let me get personal with you for a moment. If you're anything like I was a few months ago, you've probably been spinning your wheels trying to break into local marketing. You've been pitching SEO, websites, social media packages, and most of the time you just get blank stares or worse, ghosted. It's frustrating, right? Because you know local businesses need help, but trying to explain the value of digital services to a small shop owner feels like speaking another language. That's where I hit a wall, until I found something a bit different, something real, something physical, and honestly, something a lot easier to sell. It's called EDDM Agency Fortune. Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is EDDM? It stands for Every Door Direct Mail, and it's a USPS service that lets you send big postcards to entire neighborhoods. No mailing lists, no complicated targeting. Just pick an area, print, and mail. Simple. EDDM Agency Fortune takes this concept and turns it into a fully built business you can run right from your laptop. I was skeptical at first. I've seen plenty of done-for-you packages that promise the world but end up giving you a bunch of outdated PDFs and clunky templates. But this was different. With EDDM Agency Fortune, you get an entire local marketing business built around a 9 by 12-inch shared postcard. Here's the smart part. Instead of trying to sell one business a full ad campaign, you offer affordable ad space to multiple businesses on one big postcard. They split the cost, you collect payment, and once the card is full, you send it to the printer who also handles the mailing. No need to touch a single envelope. It comes with a professional WordPress website already built for you. No coding, no plugins to chase down, no figuring out how to write compelling copy. It's all there. You just upload the backup file, customize your brand, drop in your contact info, and you're ready to roll. What impressed me most was how polished the site looked right out of the box. We're talking about a modern design with a home page, about section, pricing page, contact form, a blog, and even a built-in system where clients can reserve ad space. And they didn't stop there. You also get fully editable Canva templates for the postcards and the individual ads. These aren't boring clip art designs either. They actually look good. Clean layouts, easy to customize, and perfect for just about any local business. There's even a live Canva embed tool you can add to your website, so potential advertisers can preview the actual card as you fill the slots. That's a huge trust builder. Imagine showing a local pizza shop exactly where their ad will appear, in real time, as other spots are being claimed. It creates instant urgency, and that helps close deals fast. They also give you promotional videos with voiceovers you can personalize, plus a stack of social media templates to use on Facebook or Instagram. Whether you want to run ads or just post organically in local groups, they've got you covered. And the training? It's solid. You get a 43-page PDF strategy guide that breaks down the business model, pricing strategy, how to pitch, what to say, how to close, and even how to organize your campaigns step by step. They thought through the whole process, including a checklist you can use to stay on track. One of the biggest value pieces for me was the print and mail Rolodex they include. They've already vetted reliable print shops who will handle fulfillment without crazy markup or delays. That alone saved me hours of research and trial and error. And the best part is, you keep the profit margin. You charge each business a small ad fee, pool it together, pay the printer, and pocket the rest. No inventory, no product development, just simple service brokering. The best part of it all? It's a one-time price with lifetime access. No monthly fees, no surprise upgrades. Plus, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you the freedom to explore it without pressure. And yeah, it's under $30. It's rare to find something this complete at a price that low, especially something that can realistically pay for itself with just one paying client. I've tried a lot of local marketing models over the years, but EDDM Agency Fortune is probably the most straightforward one I've seen. There's no overcomplicated software, no convincing people to trust a vague algorithm. You're offering a real postcard that shows up in their customer's mailbox. They get it, they see it, they like it. So if you're tired of trying to be a digital magician and want to be seen as a real connector in your local community, this might just be the smartest move you make this year. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or help you get started. See you in the next video.